Hello students, subscribers and viewers. I'm happy that at last I have been able to discover the technique on how to deal with beams with support settlements using the Rapid Interactive Structural Analysis or RISA for almost 3 years of teaching the course matrix structural analysis. Now that I I have found it, I have found the technique. So here is the first example. Analyze the beam shown using the software RISA and matrix approach. Support settlements are A 10 mm, B 16 mm, C 12 mm, and EI is 100 kilonewton meter square. This problem has been solved also using other methods such as the double integration method, the superposition method, the force method, three moment equations, slope deflection equations, and the moment distribution method, and verify that the answers are the same. In order to find this problem, you just explore my YouTube channel, particularly in the playlist of solved problems in structural analysis or structural theory. So here we go. From matrix approach, so we have to compute the sideway moments alone. The moments, reactions due to the load will be automatically generated by the software. I just want to add the effect of these sideway moments. Except for the final moment, internal moment at B, there we cannot evaluate it directly using RISA, or maybe there's another technique for that. But based on my observation, we cannot really automatically determine the moment at B. So we have to add the results. So there is results in RISA that does not incorporate the fixed end force. So we have to consider the fixed end force or fixed end moment. Then that would be the final moment at B. So the sideway moment for AB or fixed end moment for AB due to the settlements is equal to negative 6EI delta over L square, where EI is given 100,000 kilonewton meter square. Then the relative support settlement delta, if you imagine chord AB, it rotates clockwise, and clockwise rotation is positive by the slope deflection equations, and 16 minus 10 is equal to 16 minus 10 is equal to 6 mm, and 6 mm or 0.006 meter is treated positive here. So the fixed end moments for AB due to that support settlements is equal to negative 100 kilonewton meter. Likewise, for portion BC, the chord B to C rotates counterclockwise, so the relative displacement or settlement will be treated negative here. So 16 minus 12 is 4 mm. So in the formula, negative 6EI delta is treated negative, so negative 0.004 divided by length square 4 square, and it is equal to positive 50. So these are the fixed end forces. Negative 100, so from slope deflection equation, negative 100 is counterclockwise, but the universal sign convention, remember, counterclockwise is positive. But these are fixed end moments or fixed end forces. Then for 150 kilonewton clockwise, as shown, then remember that the nodal load should be opposite to this forces, fixed end forces or fixed end moments. But before that, due to the fixed end moments, we compute this force FAB, fixed end force, due to the effect of this moment of 100. So summation moment B equals 0, FAB times 6 is equal to 100 plus 100 or 200. So therefore FAB is 100 plus 100 over 6, and that is 33.33 kilonewtons upward. Likewise on BC, because this is due to the couples only, so it should be 33.333 kilonewtons downward by summation forces vertical. The effect of the 35 kilonewton load will be taken care of by the software RISA. Then in portion BC, the fixed end moment 150 applied, therefore the fixed end force FBC should be downward, so that its moment about C would be counterclockwise, because these are clockwise moments. So FBC times 4 is equal to 150 plus 150, therefore FBC is 150 plus 150 over 4 or 75 kilonewtons downward here. So therefore, due to the couples, the fixed end force at C would be opposite to 75, so it is upward at C. We then load at joints A, B, and C the net loads. Remember, the principle is we apply the load opposite to these fixed end moments and fixed end forces. So therefore, when we load the beam in RISA, so these are the original loads. Then due to the couple, so we have clockwise moment of 100, so that's negative 100 in RISA, because counterclockwise is positive. And this fixed end force, which is 33.33 kilonewtons, upward here, so the load is downward. Remember the principle, they are opposite. The fixed end forces should be opposite to the nodal loads. So that's why we have negative 33.333 or downward load. Then at B, the net moment is 150 minus 100. 150 clockwise minus 100 is 50 clockwise. So therefore, the nodal load at B is 50 counterclockwise as shown in the figure, kilonewton meter. Then at C, 150, this is fixed end moment, 150 clockwise. So the nodal load at C would be 150 counterclockwise, and that's positive 150 kilonewton meter. Then at B, the fixed end force 33.333 plus 75, that's 108.333 kilonewtons downward. So the nodal load would be opposite to that, upward, as shown. So we have 108.333 kilonewtons upward. So for the reactions, vertical reactions, RISA will take care of that. But for the moment, we have to adjust the final moments later. Then at C, we have fixed end force 75 kilonewtons upward, so the nodal load should be 75 kilonewtons downward as shown. So in RISA, after placing these loads, complete loads, these are the generated answers. So reaction at A, which is node 1, is 27.554 kilonewtons, which checks with the answers using the different methods. Then reaction at B, 41.112 kilonewtons. Reaction at C, 46.333 kilonewtons. So since internal moments will not be seen externally, so the internal moment would be here from the member forces. So therefore, the moment at B is negative 124.6663 kilonewtons. That's due to the loads and the loads only. So we have to add the fixed and moment, which is 150 at B. So therefore, the final moment at B, which is represented by MBC, is negative 124.663 plus this fixed end moment of 150, treated positive because it is clockwise and it is at the left. So that's it. And it is 25.337 kilonewton meter. So that's it for this video. I hope that you gain another technique because I have just learned it, and of course I need to share it with you, not only to my students but all those who will come across with my channel. You can appreciate it if you will learn another technique, or if you use this software RISA but is not able to learn the technique on how to deal with beams with support settlements.